Hey guys, this is Neil here from In-Depth Tech. So in today's video, we are gonna talk about smart bulbs. Or should I say partially smart? Hear me out guys, we feel that these bulbs are smart because we can control them with our phone or the Alexa or the Google Home by changing the colors, turning on and turning off and setting brightness. But that's really not the case. What about automations? Some of the automations even the Google Home and the Alexa cannot perform. So for an example, so guys, here I have two Philips Whiz lights and one I have connected it to my bedroom and the second one to my washroom. So at night at a specific given time, I want that whenever I turn on the washroom light, the bedroom light should switch off, or when I switch on the bedroom light, I want my washroom light to switch off automatically. So guys, the problem here is the partnered application for these smart bulbs don't provide us automations, and also guys, such kind of automations you cannot create in the Google Home or the Alexa app. So guys, let us see how this automation works. So guys, as you can see, I have named my Philips Whiz light as the bedroom and the washroom light. So let's go ahead and switch on the bedroom light. So the bedroom light is on. So now I'll switch on the washroom light and let's see if the bedroom light turns off. So as you can see, the bedroom light is off. So now I'll go ahead and switch on the bedroom light. So the washroom light is already off. So guys, we need to make sure that whenever we buy a smart bulb, the partnered application for the smart bulb has an automation feature. In this case, I have the Philips Whiz light, but the partnered application, which is the Whiz application, does not allow us to create automations. So here I have to use a third-party application which is called SmartThings. So what is SmartThings? So SmartThings is an application from Samsung which allows all the smart devices compatible with SmartThings to integrate with each other. Also, I can create automations from two different smart devices from different companies. So for an example, I had made a video where I have a Sonoff 3-way switch connected to my tube light and the Philips Whiz light which I use as a night lamp. So whenever I switch off the tube light at a specific given time, so the Philips Whiz light will turn on automatically with a specific color and a specific brightness. You can check that video out by clicking on the I button after watching this video. So guys, I'll also show you which all smart lights or the smart bulbs are compatible with the SmartThings application. So let's get started. So guys, let us see how to create this automation. So click on the SmartThings app, tap the plus icon, automations. If device status bedroom light is on, then control device, I want the washroom light to switch off. Save. Now we'll create one more automation in which if device status my washroom light is on, I want my bedroom light to switch off. So guys, let's do one thing. We'll set a specific color and a brightness. So whenever the washroom light is on, the bedroom light will change the color and the brightness. So click on color control, blue, dimmer, 20%. Done. Save. So guys, in this case, we need to create one more automation because the bedroom light color and the brightness won't change to its original state. So now let's go ahead and click on the plus icon. If device status washroom light is off, then control device my bedroom light, I'll set the color temperature to 3000 Kelvin. Done. Save. So guys, now let's go ahead and check if this automation works. So first I'll switch on the bedroom light. So as you can see, the bedroom light is on. So now I'll go ahead and switch on the washroom light. So as you can see, the bedroom light's color has changed to blue and the brightness is set to 20%. So now let's go ahead and switch off the washroom light. So as you can see, the bedroom light has changed to its original state. So guys, the best part of this automation is no matter from where you control these devices, the automation will work. So let me give you an example. Here I have the Alexa and the Google Home. So let's just go ahead and say, Alexa, switch on the bedroom Philips Whiz light.
Okay.
Hey Google, switch on the washroom Philips Whiz light.
Okay, turning on the washroom Philips Whiz.
So guys, as you can see, the automation works. So guys, now we need to make sure that whenever we buy a smart bulb, the partnered application for the smart bulb has automations, or it is compatible with the SmartThings app. So guys, now let's go ahead and see if the smart bulbs are compatible with the SmartThings application. So first you need to download the SmartThings app and sign up, and then just open the SmartThings app. Click on the plus icon, devices. So here we'll search for the Wipro light. So it's not compatible. Let's go ahead and search for Syska. That's also not compatible. So let's go ahead and check for the Philips Whiz. So as you can see, the Whiz light is compatible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. I'll be making more home automation videos with the devices easily available in the market. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new, please subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.